programs that I do, that Jennifer and I and our team do, are give you an either depth experience where you are really coming into the art form because you're probably performing it, or somehow a really deep and direct experience of it, so that you're really like up close to the art form. You're hearing an opera singer 10 feet away from you, and that sound is going through your sternum. So engagement, inviting people in, sharing, that's again part of the partnership model, is it's scary giving up control, right? In a lot of my programs, we share control because that's what partnership is, and in a sense that's what engagement is. It's not top down. It's not me coming in and saying, you are so lucky. I am in charge of this program. I will tell you how it goes, and you're lucky to receive it. I think that's kind of an ancient model of power. And so we don't really roll that way. We hopefully find a place where we're, in fact, if you will, in communion together. And that's what your needs are, my needs are, and we've actually been able to find the middle ground and find the Venn diagram that serves us both.